Hi everybody. How you doing? Hope all well, hope all good. I'm Jaseen Kapani. It's close to 6:45 by the watch, Indian Standard Time. Okay. So back to work, back to life, back to reality, office, okay. So now the second week of Jan 2026. So lucky enough to be back at the same workspace of mine and stuff and on my seat where I feel totally good and great today in spite of whatever health challenges and stuff. I still have a little bit of whatever. But the point is, my thought share is around cousin sisters, minimalism and mid minimalism. So, minimalism, everybody knows who's been in design and architecture or who follows creativity and stuff or who's got their house done up or office done up or follow spaces and stuff. Minimalism is when you have very minimalistic or basic interiors done. You know, the tones are bare and very basic, like whites or beige and off white and stuff like that. That kind of a color theme. So, you know, it can get a little uh, lukewarm, boring. It can bog down your spirit and stuff, and you can feel that in the process of trying to have a very clean or an extremely spacious or a light workspace or a room or an office and stuff, the whole area looks uh, basic and too clean, right? And when you go in, you don't get energy and stuff. Now enters the cousin sister. The cousin sister is colors, right? So that color there, right? A little bit of color to it looks good. The color I'm wearing looks good. To me, the colors I'm wearing looks good. Now, you know, you don't have to be obsessed or addicted with colors and stuff, but a little bit of tones of colors, natural colors maybe, or let's say shades of light brown, um, neutral colors, tones, uh, in lighter moderation will alter the look of the space, and they can balance out the whole uh, feeling of that room and stuff. So suddenly a space which looks just cold and bare starts feeling warm, starts feeling welcoming, starts feeling lively and stuff and all. And it's like you balance the whole space into feeling good and feeling great and stuff. And you add a little bit of maybe colorful paintings. You can see the reflection there. That's in the office space here. So keeping it short, write to me, jkapani@gmail.com, Jaseen Kapani, jaseenkapani.im@gmail.com and jaseenkapanioffice@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to connect with you, associate with you, collaborate with you, and meet you for requirements of furniture, for accessories, for semi-precious stone item, requirements for corporate gifting and stuff like that. We are based in Delhi NCR, Noida. It's approachable right at the entrance of Delhi, and if you come by metro, it's really close by and stuff. Okay, so love and lucky, take care and have fun, have a blast. The essence is maintain a balance of not being too loud and being too bare or being too basic and stuff, because it just requires to balance the space and stuff. Keeping it warm like this also helps you big time. So the choice is yours. Do you want to feel um, you know, you want to feel livelier, you want to feel alive, and you want to feel spirited, or you want to feel just like a dead duck in a space, any which ways, which is just got no life in it and stuff. So try and make the two sisters meet, minimalism and mid minimalism. Hope this helps and hope this works. Bye bye. Cheers.